In this video, we're comparing volcanic eruptions to how much mass they ejected and comparing them to things that we're familiar with. At the bottom, we have VEI0. So these are non-explosive volcanic eruptions and they happen very, very frequently. Mount Kilauea in Hawaii is an example, and this releases around 40 Olympic-sized swimming pools worth of ejecta every time it erupts. Next, we have VEI1. So this is anything over 100,000 cubic meters. So this would be the size of the Opera House in Sydney. An example of this volcano is Mount Stromboli in Italy. Next, we have VEI2. So these are explosive. These eject more than 1 million cubic meters worth of material or volume. The comparative example for this would be the interior of the Empire State Building. And in terms of volcano, it would be the Galares volcano in Colombia. Next, we have a VEI3, which is severe. This is any volcanic eruption releasing 10 million cubic meters of ejecta or more. The equivalent volume for this would be 4 pyramids of Giza, and the equivalent volcano will be the Nevada del Ruiz in Colombia. Next is a VEI4, so these are cataclysmic eruptions, pretty big at this point. These are for any volcanic eruptions which eject over 100 million cubic meters worth of volume. The equivalent for this would be 23 Hoover dams worth of concrete. An example of a volcano that's emitted that is Mount Pinatubo. Next, we have a VEI5, which is just insane. This is over 1 kilometers cubed or 1 billion cubic meters worth of volume ejected. This is enough ash to fill over 400,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. An example of this type of eruption was Mount St. Helens in the 1980s. Next is a VEI6, which is a colossal eruption. So this is any eruption over 10 kilometers cubed or 10 billion cubic meters. This would be the equivalent to Lake Windermere in the UK, and in terms of volcanoes, we're looking at Krakatoa. For VEI7, we are looking at a super colossal eruption. This is anything over 100 kilometers cubed or 100 billion cubic meters. This is enough for the entirety of New York to be buried by 85 meters of ash. An example of this volcano would be Mount Tambora. And next is VEI8, the most explosive, the most powerful volcanoes you have on Earth. These are volcanoes that release over 1,000 cubic kilometers or over 1 trillion cubic meters worth of volume. That is equivalent to filling the Grand Canyon to 25% of its capacity in ash, which is just insane. And there's only one volcano that comes to mind, and that's Yellowstone. If you enjoy this video and want to see more videos like this with comparisons, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, like, comment, share, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.